These are my different currencies. Old banknotes just fascinate me. The colours, the textures, the size of the note, the name of the currency, the people on the note, and coins, and so on. This collection I took from my nan's house when she died. It used to be hung on the wall next to her stairs, and it shows the currency the UK used to have before decimalisation. I mean, look, we used to have a £1 note, something we've not had for decades. These are the notes my granddad gave me, and some of them are from the 60s and 70s, and even this one, which is from a country that doesn't even exist anymore, being Yugoslavia. Got the old tenner and paper £50 note, with my favourite banknote being the current £50 note, as it has Alan Turing on it, one of my top 5 people in history. I think it's a huge shame that £50 notes aren't used as much as tenors and 20s, as I think he deserves a lot more respect. But this is a beautiful note and the best British note currently. Subscribe for more.